Your videos can get more views despite being a small channel. In this video, I'll share with you the YouTube keyword research that I've done to get my videos ranked higher in search. Hey there, Adam here from Hustle Savvy. I help entrepreneurs to grow their audience and income with YouTube. Keyword research. It's basically the act of identifying the exact words that other people are typing into search. You see, in general, people are either looking for answers to their questions or information regarding a particular topic. So knowing this fact, and the fact that YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet, we can now put two and two together and take advantage of this and create the right kind of videos that'll get more views. So rather than doing selfish content, why not make videos around the topics that serves your audience and their needs? Imagine when someone types something related to your topic or your niche, your videos come up as the top 10 search results. That will get you more attention and that will get you more clicks to get more views for your YouTube channel. So to illustrate this, I'm going to share the examples from my YouTube channel, and I actually have more than one channel. Hustle Savvy is one of them. The other one is called Pixel Mystique Games, and I'll be sharing the examples across Pixel Mystique Games for this video. Okay, so this is Pixel Mystique Games. It's the other YouTube channel that I have. I'm not as active on it as I am now, more focused on Hustle Savvy, my current channel, but this is a good place for us to study some of the good results I've gotten in the past. So we're gonna have a look at some of the video examples, but what we're gonna do is actually go first into incognito mode. So whether you're on Google Chrome or Firefox or any other web browser, you should have this. The reason why we're doing this is because we want to look at a fresh search results, because Google and other search engines might consider your search history, your web browsing, and all these other information to skew the search results to make it more relevant to you. So there are a few things you have to do in order to kind of reset that, and one of them is incognito. There are other things to do, but we won't touch on that. This is just close enough to accurate as a fresh search. So the first example of keywords I'm going to put is best Udemy courses for game development. So the first result that comes out is my video, and it is over 2 years old and it's still getting views until today. And when you scroll down to look at the other search results, not all of them are answering this question: what is the best Udemy course for game development? There are a couple of videos here that's ranking number 2 and 3 that may be answering a question, but I guess I'm still answering it in the best way possible, which is why I'm ranking higher than the rest. And that leads to a lot of watch time. People are watching my videos longer, and YouTube is then liking that, and YouTube is recommending to more people over the years, because so far no one else is answering this question better than me. So when we hop onto Google search, which is different from YouTube search, but because they're owned under the same company, they talk to each other in certain ways. And when I type the same keywords, best Udemy course for game development, into Google search, lo and behold, my same video is still appearing as part of the video carousel. When you look at this, there are things that Google is identifying using the algorithm, using the AI, using the machines to show 4 key moments of this video, and it makes it easier for someone to reference this video. They can even close this and see the other results even without clicking. There's a preview, and of course if they click to it, it's going to open up YouTube video itself, and we see ads right here. Speaking of ads, that's one of the ways that I'm generating income from this YouTube channel. And the other cool thing about this specific video is that I'm recommending courses for Udemy, and I'm an affiliate for Udemy, and that means that I get income whenever people click to purchase any of the courses that I've put in my video. So 2 years in, it's still generating views, it's still generating clicks, and it's still generating income from both affiliate marketing and also from YouTube ads. By the way, speaking about affiliate marketing, you can check out this video right here that I made to know more about affiliate marketing and how it works. Link also will be in the description below. Now that I've shown you an example of this, a case study, you might be thinking, how do you want to replicate this? So one of the first steps I'll recommend you do is play with the search bar. And rather than going for the long tail keyword straight away, which is, maybe 4 to 5 keywords and above, I would suggest you start simple. Start with just a few keywords. So for this example right here, we can start with game development. And again, I'm showing you from the YouTube search bar, which is different from Google's. But again, they're interconnected. And immediately you'll see suggestions in bold at the back of your first keyword that you type in. You see tutorial, game development for beginners. Game development course is one of the things that's being suggested. That triggered me doing my research to dive deeper into this and understand what exactly do other game developers or inspiring game developers want to learn or want to search for. You can also play the other angle. When I understood that, okay, people want to learn more about game development courses, let's go down that path and see whether or not Udemy courses have anything to do with game development. It just so happened that I was doing my own research as I was purchasing and looking for more courses to learn about game development. And I realized I put the two topics together and we get the ultimate long tail keyword of best Udemy courses for game development. So you'll see that combining multiple keywords can lead you to interesting results. And that's one of the first steps you need to take. And I recommend you go and click search first and kind of have a feel of what is already being made out there. Once again, when you type in Udemy courses, looks like I'm one of the top results here. That's what the top 10 looks like. And yeah, just scroll down and see what other people are doing for their YouTube channels, for their videos, and you can create something that's similar but put your own unique spin on it. Or you could create something completely in a different direction to make yours stand out even more. Let's say you have a few keywords selected. The next step is to analyze it using a keyword research tool. I'll show you how. So we did the example of the keyword research in my incognito mode. Now I'm jumping back to my logged in account and we're going to type in the same keywords just now. But let's say we start with game development. And what you notice here on the right side, I have a few different tools popping up in my search results. I got keywords everywhere. I've got VidIQ, and I'm actually also using TubeBuddy, which is down here. So you'll see on the right side here, all these different things popping up. And I'm going to show you what happens when you have this installed. It's going to show you a summary very quickly. How many is the highest views, average views, subscribers. So in a snapshot, you can get all this information to kind of gauge whether or not there's enough demand, enough people looking for these videos, for this topic, these keywords in the first place. But what's more important and more impressive is this summary of the scoring system. So when we type in game development itself, that keyword is scoring 57 out of 100 according to VidIQ. It's also showing the search volume, which is roughly 69, and within the green color bar, anything that's green, it's like a traffic light system. Anything that's green is good to go. It's really good. And anything that's on the red is just bad. Just avoid it. Competition in this particular situation is medium, so it's all right. It's okay, but we can do better. So let's speed things up and key in the exact keywords I used. So when we try to apply this keyword, let's say best Udemy courses for, is going to start recommending different terms and try to autocomplete what exactly is people looking for. And when you type in just the letter G, it also recommends graphic design, best Udemy course for guitar, and lo and behold, one of the best, most search result is game development. So we can select that, and we'll see that yes, the video is ranking number 1, and on the right hand side, when you look at VidIQ's overall score, it's 65, which is pretty decent. Now, yes, the search volume is not all the way up, but the competition is very, very low. So it means that one of the angles that I can play with is the fact that not enough people are doing good enough videos for this search result. So not enough videos are answering this question, and that is the opportunity that I seized and I am now benefiting from. So when you scroll down, you can see that VidIQ is also recommending other opportunity for other keywords. There's Udemy, Udemy coupon, free courses. You can go down this rabbit hole of clicking each one of them and trying to see how you can position the title for your videos. But we can also easily just click show all, and it's going to show this format, and this pop-up will come up, and you can start clicking other titles and you'll start replacing it with that. So you can also filter based on overall score, or maybe you want to look at competition. So by clicking on this, it's going to show you, which one is the higher competition first. You can also click again to flip it around and say which one is the lowest competition. So this makes keyword research on YouTube a lot faster and a lot more efficient, which is what I like. The other thing you can do is also look at maybe selecting a few keywords. Best Udemy courses. Let's say, for the sake of example, we click these 5 here. You can copy to clipboard, paste it somewhere else to the other software, your note-taking software, or whatever you're using to plan your YouTube content. You can also download it as CSV so that you don't lose track of this list of keywords that's related. So this can be pretty helpful because you might want to mix and match the different keywords until you get the right combination for your YouTube video title. Hey, if you're still here, that means I've done a good job to keep your attention and also deliver good value to you. So please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you get notified when I post more videos like this one. Thanks. By the way, I want to do a disclaimer here. Despite doing all your best efforts in keyword research and using the right keywords, it is just one aspect of ranking videos on YouTube. So there are other things that will be taken into consideration by YouTube's algorithm before they start promoting it to more people and making it rank higher. For example, the quality of your thumbnails and whether or not your YouTube title itself, although it has keywords, whether or not it's enticing enough to a normal human being to click on is also other factors. In fact, I'll be making more videos around those important factors as well, so stay tuned for those. Okay, so that was one example. Let's look at another example from my other YouTube channel, Pixel Mystique. I'm going to speed things up and I'm just going to type in the actual keyword that I used. And I made a video which is revolving around the use of Trello, a project management tool. But I take the angle of game development. So as you can see here, I made 2 videos and they are both ranking high on YouTube search. In fact, I take 2 different angles as an experiment because I noticed that there are some independent game developers who are working solo, and then there are some who are working in smaller teams. And I don't know which one is more popular, which one is going to be more in demand. So hey, I made both. And they're both still doing pretty well, but I have to say the solo one is far superior in terms of views. As you can see, it's 16K views in the past 2 years. And then the team one is just 4.6K. But for a small channel, that's not bad. You can see that VidIQ is giving this a medium score, which is 54, not so great, but again, low competition gave me the advantage, and I did a high enough quality video to rank number 1, and the second video is ranked number 3, not too bad. So you might notice that VidIQ also showed top channels for this search term, and Pixel Mystique Games is there. Despite being a small channel, it is competing against 5-figure and 6-figure subscriber channels. So yes, you can stand out if you know which type of video topics, which keywords you want to use, and once you understand a bit more about your target audience, what they are looking for, then you stand a chance to get more views. By the way, as you're trying to learn more about YouTube and how to grow and get more views, I've compiled these 6 powerful tips to grow faster on YouTube. I've compiled it to a PDF. Link for that you can download in the description below. Okay, so let's recap. For you to get more views as a small channel, you need to first understand what your audience are searching for. So from there, you play around and type into the search box to see different keywords that you can play around with. From there, you can see that there are different search results that come out from your competitors, and then you'll see what videos are being done. Next, you use a tool for keyword research like VidIQ, and then take those different keywords that you've tried to explore and put it in there and see whether or not it gives you high scores. Watch these videos right here for more YouTube tips. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video to more people so that they can also learn how to grow on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.